Hey guys, James Paradise. Say hola, hola. Check out the size of these This is shrimp. These are prawns. Look at the size of that thing. Wow, that's amazing. We're here in the Caribbean in Mexico. He's got fresh fish right there from the ocean this morning. He's got tilapia. Did you see the size of that shrimp? It's a prawn. They're jumbo, huge shrimp. Have a good day. Yeah, amazing. So we're here in the Caribbean. If you guys are watching my videos, I wrote a new book for 2020 called My Paradise Lifestyle. And everybody's asking me questions on social media. I'm getting hundreds and thousands of messages actually now in the first 2 weeks of January about what is the book about. It's really simple, guys. If you want to know what the book is about, you need to download it. So here's what you do. Below this video, somewhere in the description, 2 or 3 times it says, get my new ebook. I have an ebook and a real book, an autobiography of my life. You will not believe what I've done in my life. Made millions of dollars, lost millions of dollars. I've had 6, 7, 8, almost 10 different businesses. All of them were successful except for one, which I'll tell you in the book. And you can just follow and duplicate exactly what I did to be successful. And currently, right now, my lifestyle is every day I do whatever I want to do whenever I want to do it. So let me say that again. My lifestyle right now, today, January 15th, 2020. For the first 2 weeks of 2020 this year, I have not worked at all. I don't need to work because I have some money coming in automatically every day, and I don't have to work for it. If you want to learn how I do that and how I can help you, get the ebook below this video, anywhere in the description. You can even, I think, click somewhere on the video. Excuse me. I'm talking too fast. Click on the link in the description, download the ebook, and then you can go to Amazon and get the real book. It's an autobiography of my life and my paradise lifestyle. I am a paradise lifestyle super coach consultant, and I am an expert at teaching people how to create their own paradise lifestyle, which is doing whatever you want to do whenever you want to do it, okay? No boss, no traffic. Again, I have not worked this year yet, but I still have massive income coming in every single day, every week, every month. And that's what I teach people how to do. And then you can have a paradise lifestyle. Look, you have a life. Everybody's born with a life. You're born into this world. You have a life. But what's your lifestyle? Do you have a paradise lifestyle? You want to get one? Love to help you. Get the book. I'll see you soon.